I gonna make homework digital. Yes, digital key lock. Paste code is your last 4 digits of your student ID. This one, I gonna make preposition unit. This is preposition unit for me as. This one my number ID. Student. Sorry. My student ID. Student ID is 4 is your last 4 digit is 0, 1, 2, 4, and I using switch try put down and number is not 0, is not 1, is not 2, is not 3. I don't care, it's correct number. I using or get to get them together and link to reset in flip-flop. Yes. 6, 0, 2, 4, 3, 4, and 0 is switch 0 and switch 1 and switch 2, switch 4, switch 8, and last switch 9. My student ID is password for hello is 0, 1, 2, 4. And I don't care. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it's okay. Yep. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. This is reset. Okay, I use 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is twist M. Okay. Next, I go to state diagram. I know state diagram is have 7 states, and it is state 1. State 1. Sorry, state 0. I press switch 0. And I don't put switch 0. Yes, return. Working state 0. And switch 0. And don't switch N. I put switch N or not switch N. Working again this state. Working again that state 0. When I push switch 0, it's go to state 1. State 1. State 1 is release. Is release 1. Release 0, sorry, release 0. Release 0. When I put switch 0, it's working again. When I push switch 0 and don't put switch 1, don't put switch 2, don't put switch 4, and don't put switch N. I go to state 1, working again in state 1. When I put switch, when I don't put switch 0, it's go to state 2. And when I put switch and I put switch 4, switch 2, switch 1, it's go to state 0. Yes, mean I put switch 0. I put switch. Okay, that's right. I put switch 1, I put switch 2, I put switch 4, I put switch N. I don't put switch N. Okay, sorry. Is go to state 2. Next slide. Go to state 2. Is wet. Is wet switch 0. Sorry, switch 1. It mean I don't push every switch. Every switch is mean don't push switch 0, don't push switch 1, don't push switch 2, don't push switch 3, don't push switch 8 is mean. It mean I working again. You know. When I put switch 1, I go to state 3. When I put switch N, switch 0, switch 2, switch 4, I go to I go to state 0. When I put switch 1, switch, when I don't put switch 1, when I put switch 0, switch 4, switch 3, switch and something like that, I go to state 0. When I put switch 1, I go to state 3. Okay, state 3 is relay 1, and that mean I okay, alright. That mean I don't put. That mean I put switch 1. Sorry, I don't put switch 1. Yes, I don't put switch 1, and I put switch 0, switch 4, switch 5, switch N. It's mean working again. That's right. And when I don't put switch 1 is I go to state 4. If in state 3 is I okay, so sorry, if I push, okay, if I push switch, okay, that's right, something like that. That's I put switch 0, and I put switch 2, switch 4, switch 4, switch N. It means I go to state 0. And when I don't put switch 1, I go to state 4. State 4 is mean wait I put wait switch 1, wait switch 2. Alright. That mean I don't put switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch N. Yes. It mean I working again in state diagram. Sorry, I working again in state 4. Alright. When I put switch 0, switch 1, switch 4, switch N, I go to state. Sorry, I go to state 0. When I put switch 0, switch 1, switch 4, switch N. If I put switch 4, I go to state 5. Alright. State 5 is mean relay 4. When when I put switch when I don't put switch 0, I don't put switch 1, or I put switch 2, I put switch 4, when I put switch N, it just rework again in state 5, or I working again in state 5. When I don't put state 2, it means I go to state 0. Sorry, I go to state 6. If I put okay, alright, that's if I put state 0, sorry, if I put switch 0, I put switch 1, I put switch 4, switch, and it just is go to state 0, alright? You know that. You know that's like that. When I don't put switch 2, is I go to state 6. State 6 is mean when I put switch 4, you know. When I don't put every switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch N, I working again in state 6, you know. I don't push every switch, I is working again in state 6. When I put switch 1, I put switch 0, I put switch 1, I put switch 2, I put switch N, it's just I go to state 0. I push switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, switch 2, switch N, I go to state 0, you know. Okay, alright guys. Okay. That's I put switch 4, I go to state 7, you know. State 7 is mean I input number is 2, 4 number. My number is, sorry, I don't write after. Number is 0, 1, 4, 1, 2, 4. Is I switch 1, switch 2, switch 4, and I put switch 4 is go to reset. Switch 4 is reset. It mean I put 4 number is 2. When I don't put every switch, it's working. Sorry. When I don't put switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, and put switch 4, and don't put switch, and I working again in state 7. It mean when I put switch, when I don't put switch 0, I don't put switch 4, I don't put switch 4, I don't put switch, every switch is go to reset, and that's right. Here's my state for me. Again, and state 0. State 0 is west switch 0. When I don't put switch 0, it's working again. When I put switch N, or I don't put switch N, I working again in state 0. That's right, you know that. When I put switch 0, it's go to state 1. State 1 is delete 0. When I put switch 1, when I put switch 2, I put switch 4, I put switch N, is go to state 0. And I don't put switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and switch N, I put switch 0, is return again in state 1. When I don't put switch 0, it go to state 2, you know. I don't put state 0, I go to state 2. I put state 0, I return again in state 1. If I put switch 1, 2, 4, switch N, I go to state 0. Alright? That's now we live in state 2. State 2 is mean west switch 1. If I don't push every switch, I return again in switch 2. If I push switch 0, switch 4, switch 2, switch 4, switch N, I go to state 0. If I push switch 1, if I push switch 1, it go to state 3. State 3 is mean relays. I push switch 1. When I push switch 1 or I don't push switch 0, don't push switch 4, don't push switch 2, don't push switch 4, don't push switch N, it mean working again in state 3, you know. And I don't push switch 1. I don't push switch 1. I go to state 4. State 4 is wet. It mean where switch 2. Number me 4 is 2. I 0 go to 1, 1 go to 4. Switch west I push 4. You know, in state 4. And when I don't push switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, switch every switch is working again in state 4. If I push switch 0, switch 1, switch 4, switch N, it's done switch 2. I mean, I go to switch state 0 is reset. That's like when I put switch 2, I go to state 9. Sorry, state 5. So state 5 is mean relate 2 is don't put 2. I put 2 is I put 2 and I don't push every switch, but not switch 2. I return again in state 5. If I put every switch is not switch 4, I go to state 0 is mean reset. That means I don't push state 0 state. I don't push switch 2. I go to switch state 6. State 6 is mean where switch 4. Switch 2 go to 4. West 4 is mean I don't push every switch is working again in state 6. If I push switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, switch N, yes, go to state 0 is mean reset. That means I push switch 4. You know, I push switch 4 is go to state 7. State 7. You know that state 7 state 7 is mean reset. It mean I input number student is 2. It's 2. Alright. When I don't put switch 4, when I put switch 4, don't put switch 2, switch 1, switch 0, switch N, it means I working again in state 7. When I don't push every switch, it means I go to state 0. Yes. Start again. That's like this my state diagram for me. That we are go to state table. Okay, that's like this is my table for me. That after this next state. Next state. It is present state. Okay, that's like present state is mean state 1, state 2, sorry. We have, you know that I copy for looking easy. Okay. Okay. We have six table is X state, have state. Oh, sorry, I forgot 3. And state 0, state 1. Oh, when I put state 0 is go to state 1. State 1. Okay. When I put state 1, state 2, state 4, state N is go to state 0. State 0 again. State 0. I don't like it. Is leave in state 0. Input is 0. When I don't put every switch, I leave in state 0. Is now state 1. Beautiful. State 1. Looking state 1. State 1 is when I don't put state 0, go to state 2. I don't put state 0. Okay. hope you will that. I don't put state 0, go to state 2. I put state 0 is mean working again in state 1. When I put state 1, state 2, state 4 is go to state 0. Go to state 0 then state, sorry, I forgot state 0. Can I copy that? State 0, state 0, state 0, and state 0. When I put switch 1 in state 1, I put switch 1 in state 1. I put switch 1 in state 1 is working again in state 1. I put switch 1 in state 1 is working again in state 1. When I put switch 1, yes, work is go to state 2. Alright. When I put switch 0, switch 2, I go to state 0, it's milliseconds. I go to state 0. When I push switch N, it's go to state 0. When I don't push every switch, you know that. Okay. Okay, that's mean I push switch 1 is go to state 1. Yes, I push switch 1 is again. When I don't push every switch in state 1, I don't push every switch. I don't push every switch. Is go to state 0. Sorry, state. Sorry. When I put state 1, if I put state 1, if I put switch 0, this mean I go to state 0. I go to state 0. Okay, that's right. When I don't push every switch. I don't push every switch. When I don't push every switch, it means I go to sorry. Again. Okay, it's state 1. State 1 is when I put. Okay, looking. When state 1 is relay 0. Relay 0 is mean don't put 0. That means I put switch 0 is mean working again. I put switch 0 is mean I working in state 1 again. It mean I put every switch is not switch 0. It mean I go to state 0 and state 0. State 0. Okay, that's right. State 0. Okay. When I don't push every switch is go to state 2. Alright. I put it 0. This means this have switch 1, go to switch 2. Okay, that's right. Okay. That means I live in state 2. State 2 when I put looking state 2. When I don't push every switch is mean working again. Is I push switch 1 is go to state 3. Sorry, state 3. When I push every switch is not switch 1 is go to reset. Okay. Yes, I put switch 1 is go to state 0. State 0. I put state 1. I put switch 1 is live in state 2. When I don't push, when I put switch 2, I go to state 2. I put switch 4 is go to state 0. When I put switch N, I go to state 0. Alright. It means I don't push every switch. Sorry. I put switch 1 is go to state 3. Sorry. If I put switch 1, if it's go to state 3. If I don't push every switch, it's working again in state 2. 0. And alright. I live in state 2. State 3. State 3, if you look, I don't push switch 1 is go to state 4. If I push switch 1 and don't push every switch, I working again. If I push every switch is not switch 1, I go to reset. I go to switch 4, switch 0 or state 0. Okay, now If I push 1 is go to state 0. If I push 1, if I push 1, you have, if I push 1 is working again in state 3. Alright. If I push switch 4 is go to state 0, go to state 0, and go to state 0. If I don't push every switch, relay 1. I don't push every switch. It mean I go to state 4. Alright. It means I live in state 4. Okay. State 4. If state 4, when I push switch 2 is go to state 5. If I don't push every switch, is working again in state 4. If I push every switch is not 4, is go to reset. Switch 4 is go to reset. And okay. I don't push switch, I push switch 1 is go to state 0. I don't push this switch 1, I go to state 0. If I push switch 0, I go to, you know that 0 is go to state 5. State 5. Alright. Everything is go to say reset. And I don't push every switch. I don't push every switch is return again in state 5. State 5. Oh, okay. Okay, state 5. If I don't push every switch, okay. When I put switch 2, I go to state 5. Sorry, when I put okay, I leave. Sorry, when I push every switch is leave in state 4. Alright, leave in state 4. Okay, I write that 3. This means I forgot. It's not I don't highlight, is just reset. Output is 0, 0. And looking state 5. Okay. State 5. You know, state 5, looking state 5. I don't put switch 0 is go to state 6. And I put switch 4, switch 4 is working again in state 5. Is I put switch 0, switch 1, switch 4, switch n is go to reset. Alright. If I don't push switch 2, mean I go to state 5. Okay. I go to state 5. If me I push switch 2, I working again. This is working again. Working again. Oh, okay, sorry. Go to state 6. If I don't push every switch, I go to state 6. State 6, alright. State 6. And everything is 0. Reset. Is reset. Okay. Output is 0. Leave in state 6. This I forgot. This leave in state 6. And leave in state 6. You look in state 6. When switch 4. When I put switch 4 is go to state 7. When I don't put every switch is go to, it's working again in state 6. And when I put switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, switch n is go to state 0. Looking state 6. When I push switch 4, is go to state 7. I don't push every switch, is leaving state 6. And state 0. Reset. It's not switch 4. Okay. Alright. Okay. In state 7. When I push switch 4 is working again. When I don't push every That push every switch is go to state 0. Okay, alright. State 0. Okay. When I push switch 4 is leaving state. Leave in state 7. If I push every switch is not 4, is go to reset. Reset state 0. State 0. Okay. 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 Soon. And output is 1. Alright. I have state table. And I can copy I copy state table. I transform state table to state assignment. Okay. And that I highlight. I go to state 1 is 110 110. Alright. Go to state 1 is push 1110 and go to state 3. Go to state 2 is don't push 1 141. Alright. And go to state 1 is 1. Alright. Okay. State 1. State 2 is 111. State 3 is 111. Okay. I put state 111 is I don't put state. Go to state next state 1111. Alright. And I don't put state 3. State 4 is 1 1 2 2. I forgot highlight. That's 7 7 9 6. Okay. Okay, that's right. That's 1 1 0 0 0 and push 5. State go to state 5 is mean 0 1 1 is mean 1 1 1 0 1 2 0 0 and state 1 0 1 is mean 1 1 0. That's mean go to 1 1 1 and this mean 1 1 1 is mean push go to shit. That's mean I push 7. I don't push is state 6. I push 7 is go to state 6 1 1 1. If I don't push it's state 6 again. Alright. And I push state 0 is 1 1 1 and I don't put leave 0. Okay, that's right. And okay, go to this is my state assignment and not last, second last. This is meaning box. I have meaning box. Okay, I have 3 go. These are the median box using the flip flop. Alright, I have 3 flip flop. That's right. That means I have T, D, not Q, not Q, and this is cup, and S and R, something like this. Copy. Sorry, I copy. Okay, that's why I have three. I have three flip flop. One flip flop, two flip flop, three flip flop. Uh, it just have. I highlight use. Okay, okay, okay. That. One. All right. It's mean. And four. Not gonna have four. And last is one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's like I have 3, 0, 3, 1, 3 input from the flip flop, and I input cup. Okay, it is cup. See, okay, cup, and I input recess. Input recess is what the hell? Recess is sorry. Why not? Okay, that's like this is minion box for me. It is N. N is sweet two, sweet no two, sweet 3, sweet 5, sweet 6, sweet sorry, sweet 7, sweet 8, sweet 9. Okay, that's like yes. Just go to Simpson size. If we go to
synthesis.
Okay, next that is synthesis equation of light bulb. That's not sure. 6 is synthesis equation of light bulb. That's like it is equation. I'm sorry, that is that Q. Okay, equation EQUA equation. Alright, that's I transform state diagram to simulation equation of light bulb. That's I just copy state. It's not just copy. Stage 1. State. Simulation T. Equation T0. Simulation equation T0. It means T0 that 1. Alright, that's looking for and this, you know that. Okay, this 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Living state. Switch 0, switch 1, switch 4, switch 3. I just got that. And not. Okay, that's like I forgot midterm. Sorry, I forgot midterm. Forgot is 1. 1 living state. State 0, state in switch 6 is switch 0, switch 1, switch 4, switch 2, switch 4. This means that. And leave in state 1. Alright. Okay, 1. Again. Oops. Soon. Okay. sorry. Sorry. Okay, go to last question is synthesis. Synthesis. Okay. Go to synthesis. Equation of light bulb for me. We looking state assignment because we must make state assignment to synthesis equation of light bulb. You know that. Looking for me, and I just look T0. T0 equation T0 have live in live in live live in present state and next state. Okay, that next and T0 that 0 live in have 1 in T0 live in put switch put next state switch 0. That's right. Put switch 0 and live in 001. Live in 01. Alright. Live in 01. No. That's right. And okay. And one live in state 6. State 4, state 6. No, that's nice. Looking for me that 0 1 0 state switch 1. Yep. Switch 1 1. Alright. That's that. And like living you know, looking, follow me, and that's 1 0 0 looking, that's like in switch 2. Sure, if you look, yes, this switch 2. 1 switch 2. Okay, and 1 0 state 1 0 if next present state leave switch 4 present state leave switch state s 6, sorry, state 6, and leaving state 7. That's mean state 7. Alright, and last 1 1 1. Okay. Alright. I make boolean that is looking for easy. If you follow me and push A 0 1. Alright, and I push, if you look, okay, this and this. Okay, that is so sorry. Okay, and switch 0 switch 1. Is this 0 0 1 push some 0 0 0 state 6 some state 7, and T1 is that I mean is T0 T1 T3. Alright, as okay. Live in state 2, state 3, state 4, state 3, state 4, state 1, and state 5, state 6, and state 7. Okay. Live in state 4. One push. Oh, sorry. Push. Celsius. Okay. If you look, you will see G1 in and push and some state. State 1, 2. Push switch 1 and push every switch. Push. If you're looking next state switch 1 and present state 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. If switch 1. Alright. Yep. Okay. And this and this and this and this. Alright. If looking no 0, 1, so push and leave 1, 1, 0. Leave in switch 4. Not switch. Yeah. 1, 1, 1. Leave in switch 4. And if you look, you can see okay. Okay, that's like it. Look and switch 1 this, switch 4 and switch 4 and not switch and not switch and not push switch. You know what I mean is alright. I copy it. Yep. Okay. Push switch 1 and push switch and push switch 0 and 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, push. Click option 0, 1, 0, put 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0, oh sorry, and 1, 1, 1. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Go to last equation. And you can look in state 0, state 1, state 1 0 0, state state 0 1 1 is state 3, state 4, state 5, state 6, state 7. Looking for me that first state C G C 0 1 1. In not switch have 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. In not in not in not put every switch. In not put every switch. Sorry, I don't choose 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Alright, that's okay. Let's you can see in next test switch. Not put every switch. It's half. It's half. Present state 4 5 4 5 G state 3 4 5 6 and leave next state 4 next state switch 4 half state half present state 6 state 7 leaving state switch 2 half state 1 0 0 and state 5 state 3 state 4 state 4 state 5 something like that, right? Okay, that's leaving state state. Okay, have state 2. Okay, have state 4. You can see, oh sorry, and this okay, that's like let's have 1 1 0 and some state you can see. Alright, next state switch for living state, living present states 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. Alright, switch 4 switch 4 switch 4 switch 4 and 1 1 1 0 push 1 1 1. Alright, state 0 1 1 push 1 1 1. And you can see in next state is not put every switch and leave in present state 0 6. Not put, not push, and copy, not push that. Have 0 1 1 push 1 0 0 some 1 1 0 1 1 1. One 0 1 push 1 1 0. That's right. Look and look and that's okay. I have looking sim question.
Okay. Hi again. Okay, I have built the circuits according to the equation from 3, 30, 31 and 32. As shown in the picture you can see, and I will do some simulation as follow me. That's this is switch for me. I have switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, switch 4, and switch N. And I I will the circuits by JK flip flop that you know. This is test 0, state 1, state 2, state 3, another state 7. Okay. This left box, and you know that I can simulation for this. Okay, go. Yeah, sim. I make again it to that. Sorry. When I make simulation it to will I will be have time diagram. As we see, yes. I make I make I make time diagram by cop that by Victor Jewel. That's let me see that when I live in cop 0, I don't pass everything. Stay with I stay with state 0. When I go to cop 2, sorry, cop 1 I pass switch 0, I go to state 1, 0, 0, 1. When cop 3, I don't pass everything, I go to state 2. I go to state 2. In cop 3, I pass switch 1, I go to state I go to state 3 from state 2. Go to I State 3 go to state 4. When I live in cop 4, I don't pass every switch. I go to state 5. In cop in cop 5, I pass switch 2. I go to state state 5. When I don't pass everything, I go to state 6. In cop 6. In cop 7, I pass switch 4. I go to state 7. In cop 8. In cop 8, I pass everything. I sorry, I don't pass everything. I go to state I go to state 0. Is cog 0 and cog 7. It is correct case, and cog 7 is cog 70 is incorrect case. Let me see. When I pass 1 and when I pass 0, I go to state 1. When I don't pass 0 and don't pass everything, I go to state 2. When I pass 0 again, I go to state 0 because it's not password for me that when I pass every switch in cop 12, I live in state 0. When I pass switch n, I live in state 0 because my first my first my first password is 0. When I don't pass 0, it's not go state 1. And cop 14, I pass state and cop 0. I pass state 1 and state 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 2 and state 1 is not go to state 1. Sorry, I pass switch 0 and switch 1 is not go to state 1 because I must because I pass to switch is not is correct. I go to state 0. When I pass I pass every switch is go to switch is go to is go to state 0. When I pass everything is not 0. I live in state 0 again. You know that something like this. Okay, thank you for